is anyone home?
Hi, welcome to our hotel room.
Thank you. So guys, this is where we'll be staying while we're in Dawson Creek. Staying at the Stonebridge Hotel. Give them a shout out. Now this room is a lot more basic than I thought it would have been, considering for the price, to be honest. But it's not bad. It's just a older type of room. As you come through the door, you got the bathroom that Malia is checking out right here. Checking out the bathroom? You checking out the bathroom? Let's take a look, guys. See what's going on. Not bad. Just basic. Got your tub. At least it's clean, babes. Yeah. Standard. Not too bad. You got your toilet right here. Go and check it out, Malia. So you got your clothes ironing board. Malika's Pediasure as usual. Got a little kitchenette right here. Got a little sink, which is nice. You don't always get the sink in hotel rooms, so this is pretty nice. Microwave, seems fairly in good condition, fairly new. And a coffee maker with coffee. Nice. Two queen beds. One for Nuts, Malia and Malika, and one for myself. I have a little desk right here in case you wanted to do some work, like edit videos, etc. Nice little mirror. I like this mirror, babes. This mirror is not bad. And Malika found the remote for the TV. Okay. I have a little couch right here in the side of the room. Now, let's see what the Dawson Creek British Columbia is looking like. Not the best view. View of the highway. View of the highway, guys. There's apparently a monster truck show going on here in Dawson Creek this weekend that we had no idea about. So a lot of persons are in Dawson Creek, and that probably explains why most of the hotels are booked out when I check. Yeah, so just open fields and highway. That's all we got for view today, guys. Awesome. Room is not that small, but not significantly spacious. Why did you take off your shoes, Malika?
She's getting comfortable.
She's getting comfy. Oh, you got a kitchenette. Is there anything in there? In the fridge? Sorry?
No.
Empty fridge?
I wanted something.
Oh, Na's got her fridge right here.
Oh, Malia.
A traveling fridge. Malia apple. Now, this bag is so good. This is a little travel insulated refrigerated bag. Keep things cool. I love it.
Take off what she's doing. Take it off for me.
Malia.
Checking out the cupboards, Malika and myself.
Take it off for shoes.
Take off the shoes, please. Well, we're gonna go and get food.
You want food?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's go and get food. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, when we get out the room, I'll show you guys what the front of the hotel looks like.
Ready, let's go.
Careful, Malia. So this is what the passageway looks like, guys. As you guys can probably notice, our room is all the way to the end of this passage. More exercise, right, babes? Even though we're going to get food right now to put on it back. I probably should have taken that thing down back, but it's alright. The elevator is this way. That's always taking an opportunity to take some selfies. Malaya's having fun in the elevator. Let's all it for sister.
Yay!
press the letter M. M. Press the letter M. M. Press it. Press the button. Good job.
Hey.
Good job. You do? You press the button? Well, this is what the lobby is looking like, guys. Elevator. Pretty basic. Come on, Lika. Hello. She's having a time of her life. The stairs remind me of the apartment. But at the same time. You ready to go?
No.
Not ready? You want to sit? Let's go. Okay, bye, Malia. Right here. So guys, we're about to go and get some food. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys supporting us. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.